Hi, good morning. This is Lee. This video is about the settings for Mammoth PMCE version 3 strategy, which is designed to trade gold. Okay, now you're looking at the chart that is running on a unit Renko bar type, and you can look at the bar settings right here for the unit Renko bar. That if you want to trade my strategies, you might have to stick to this bar type, and you can download this bar type from a website. And it's an older version of Uniranko bar, but I've been using it for a long time. Don't bother to download the newer version from NinjaTrader, but this one's pretty stable. The settings of the bar is 5, 10, and the 35 as usual for gold. You can play with it. You can change the tick trend from 5 to 8 or or to 3. If you want a lower tick trend and you also want to make sure the tick reversal also gets a little bit less. So anyways, we'll go to these settings later for another video. But anyways, for this chart, I loaded 60 days of data for August contract on gold. Okay. Um, and you're seeing that the charts are pretty clean, and you can see the trend. Now let's go to strategies that loaded right here. This is the Mammoth PMC version 3 strategy. The parameters are like this. So the target is 24 ticks and stop is 30. And the start trading time is 4 a.m. Central and stop is 9:10 a.m. Central. This is a trading time frame. You can make it a bit different, depends on what you wanted to achieve, but this is the optimal time frame for the last 2 months of gold. The daily profit you can set at 258 and daily loss is 500. And you just leave these settings here as it is. It's EPF, and the EPS is 11 to 21 and HP is 200. That's important. Don't change this. You can change it if you want to see different results, but that's gonna probably take you some time to optimize it. We optimize it here, and then we are just showing you the settings here um, to save some of your time. The rest is the same, and you're gonna go use the autofill resolution high, not the standard. Um, and check this box. And this strategy is trading two contracts. Okay, that's important. Because of the two contracts, gold each tick is $10. So if you trade two contracts, you look at 48, and that's $480. That's a daily target. And once you hit one winner, and the strategy will basically stop looking for another trade because you already exceeded the daily profit level, and which is 250A. You can change this number to as long as it's not exceeding $480. Now, daily loss is a 500 means if you hit a loss, that's $30. I'm sorry, that's 200 bucks per trade, and two trades would be 600 bucks, and it's already exceeding the daily loss limit. And as the same way, the strategy would not look for another trade. It would be stop trading. Um, the rest is the same. And so let's just run the strategy, and you see that, excuse me, on the chart it prints out trades, and this is the 28th, which is Friday, had a winner trade, and the 27th, uh, no trade. Strategy did not find a trade, and 26th, no trade. 25th, we have a winner. Entries here and targets here. This is the 23rd, a winner. Entry here and target here. 21st, no trade. 20th, we had a winner trade. Excuse me. Um, this is the 18th. We had a winner trade. I just want to go over to the this last week. That's Friday. Friday we had a news at the 7:30. 7:30, you can see that this is 7:30. The bar had a very large leg, but still went up. And from 30 to 35, the news created this trend, uptrend. The leg did not actually reverse, so it's much of a action. And that's Friday. Thursday, I believe we had a pretty heavy news, but it's not really affecting gold. You can see 7:30 right here, and all the way to 7:32 right here. And it's not that many bars. Doesn't It's not really choppy either because the trend is down. So I mean Wednesday no trade. Tuesday we had a winner. Monday we had a winner. So um, no trade, and this day we had a winner. Let's say no trade. Now let's just go to the strategy performance, so we'll see it in the detail. Um, the strategy that I loaded is 60 days of data, so basically from May 31st to July 30th. This is August contract. Um, you look at max drawdown is $1,200. We have 27 trades in total. 23 were winners and 4 were losers. Um, then you look at basically this strategy gives you one trade a day, so no more. Just one trade, not 2 or 3 trades, just one trade. You can see the number of trades, right? Now, June 2nd and June 5th, we had 2 losing days in a row that created accumulated a max drawdown to $1,200. Then, and we had a winner, another loser right here, and another loser on the 7th of July, and then the rest are all winners. So now, um, you can see the 2 losers right here, and there's a little dip here, and then went up again, a dip here, and went up again. This trend is looking good. Um, you also can look at the summary right here. Let's see. Yeah, the largest losing trade is 660, which is the one loser that hits one stop loss, and that's it. Let's do this analysis, and you go to net profit, and you see we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 losing days. The rest is winners. And max drawdown. You look at this is the max drawdown right here. That's one losing trade. And well, MAE MFV is um not necessary to look in because I only do one trade. Um, Average total efficiency. Oh, it's uh, pretty good. So okay, so this is the settings, and we're running 2 contracts. And if you trade for last 60 days, you have this net profit 2 contracts. Okay. Um, it might be off a little bit because some fill. This is just a strategy performance analysis. Market conditions might change a little bit. You probably look at a few $100 off here, and I didn't even add commissions to this account, so you probably got around um, 8 grand for 2 months. Okay. Um, That's it. That's the strategies that you wanted to look into. It. If you wanted to try this strategy, you can just go to our website and download it for free for 30 days. After that, if you decide to use it further, just contact us. We'll let you know what you need to do moving forward. Um, okay. Hope you get everything. If you have any questions, just email me or message me. Thank you. You have a good day.